Are you starting or am I starting?
Okay.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all?
Wait. You gotta wait for this one to be quiet.
What's up, y'all?
We're AM and PM. And this is ODDNESS TV.
Yeah! Yeah! Evil.
What number 18 is this? 4.
So here we are, back with another episode. We had AM and PM kick this one off, and we are going to nuke something new. Well, not really new. We have this microwave. This is a fairly old microwave.
That's Granny Nadine.
We're calling it Granny Nadine. What we're hoping is that all of the newer safety features that have caused so many issues with us not being able to nuke metal are gone away.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna retry the laptop. From the last episode, you saw that it was still in the microwave when I ran it over. So it's kind of been up, but we're gonna shove it in there and hopefully make something happen.
Going for 80 minutes.
Oh, it's already on fire. Look, 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 look. Oh, look, the screen's on fire too. Bring that small camera up here. The screen sparkling is amazing.
The little pixels burning.
Okay, so for safety precautions, because it is actually working, I have stopped it. And I'm gonna go get a water hose. Oh! I'm gonna go get a water hose. I'll be right back.
I'm going.
So now we have melted the MacBook Air.
Yes.
We're gonna stick some grapes in the keyboard. If you guys haven't seen this, this is awesome.
Epic.
We're gonna split them straight down the, oh my goodness, the mosquitoes. That thing was like, stick them on the keyboard area, mouse area, whatever.
Dude, it is so hot in there.
We're going in the house. We're gonna burn some grapes in a real microwave. All right, we are in the house. We are going to try this grapes again in the micro zapper. One grape, straight down the middle, still connected. Nobody wants to see that, man.
What the heck?
Ooh.
So much smoke. Holy moly. And now it's done.
What in the world? What? Why does this thing? All right, we're gonna do one more. All right, here we go, people.
That one was super quick.
Boom! Whoa!
Oh, it's still going. Oh, snap. Wait, that was full flames.
It was a big flame.
Oh my. Turn it off, like seriously, turn it off.
This is the greatest thing.
Stop! Seriously, get that out of our microwave!
Whoa! The whole thing is electrified.
It's like one of those.
Jacob's ladder.
That's exactly what it looks like.
Are you kidding me right now?
Okay. This is my house. I need you to still stay.
Worst case scenario, we have to buy a new microwave.
Stop, Dad.
Wait, it's grabbing another one now.
Look at it glowing red.
Blows my mind. Oh,
Whoa!
the flame was in the top left corner just chilling.
Dude.
What?
I want to see. Let me look.
And Meredith doesn't care. I did. Well, that was amazing! Almost as amazing as my beard.
You don't have
Anyway, grapes in a microwave are amazing.
Yes! Anyway, that concludes this episode of Nukin' with Nadine. Thank you for tuning in to ODDNESS TV. I'm Parker.
I'm Aaron, and as always, you have to subscribe, people. We need you to subscribe. We need you to click the button. It helps.
The button
There's
would
like a
be down.
circle with our face on it. You click
Yes.
that, and you get to subscribe. And then if you click those other squares that pop up, you get to watch all the other Nukin' with Nadine videos.
there's like-
Because these things are popping. There's like 3 other ones. What are y'all laughing at, PM and AM? Huh? AM and PM?
Hey, speaking of which,
Listen, never forget, there's never a day without AM and PM.
Not you.
Who's that little turd?